டேய் ஓகே எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். ஹாய். ஓகேடா சரி.
ஓகே, நம்ம லவ் நம்ம கொஞ்சம் லேட்டரா காட்டுவோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவர் பேசட்டும், நம்ம இப்போ கேட்போம்.
ஸோ எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். இங்கே இருக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. அதுக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியமான காரணம் எஸ் சார். ஃபேன் அப்படின்றத விட ஐம் லைக் ஒரு லைஃப்பில் வந்து சில பேர் நமக்கு ஒரு ரோல் மாடல்ஸாக இருப்பாங்க, ஐகான். ஒரு வி லுக் அட் சம் பீப்புள் அண்ட் தென் வி கெட் இன்ஸ்பயர்ட். வி வாண்ட் டு டூ அ லாட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ் இன் லைஃப். அப்படி ஒரு ஐகான் தான் எஸ் சார். First time when I got an opportunity to write a song, like one song, my only feel was, okay, I'll get at least one day to be next to him in that aura. Then I was so lucky. I got one more song, then one more song. Abdi vara vara, I had so much time to be around you. Those days I can never forget in my life. Thank you so much for being so kind, sir. சார் வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறது, KGF 1, KGF 2 ரெண்டே படம் அதோட முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. லைக் இந்தியா ஃபுல்லாக நான் ஒரு வாட்டி குஜராத்தில் எங்கேயோ ஒரு சித்பூர்னு ஏதோ ஒரு ஊரில் ஒரு லொக்கேஷன் பார்க்குறதுக்கு போயிருந்தேன். அந்த டைமில் வந்து ஒரு சாதாரண ஒரு வேர்க்கடலை விற்கிற அங்கே அந்த ஊரில் ஏதோ சென்னா மசாலா சம்திங், அந்த வண்டி ஏதோ ஒரு லாங்குவேஜ் பேசுகிற யாரோ ஒரு பையன் அந்த வண்டி கிட்ட நான் போய் பார்த்தேன். அவனுடைய ஸ்பீக்கரில் வந்து சாரோட ஃபோட்டோ ஒட்டி வச்சுருந்தான். அப்போ நான் கேட்டேன், என்னப்பா இந்த ஃபோட்டோ ஒட்டி வச்சிருக்கேன்னா, ராக்கி பாய் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவனுக்கு அவ்வளோ ஒரு இது. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி நூக் அண்ட் கார்னர் ஆஃப் இந்தியா இப்போ இந்த டாக்ஸிக் அப்புறம் வேர்ல்டு வைட் ஒரு குளோபல் சூப்பர் ஸ்டாரா he is going to establish and is going to break a lot of records and then take Indian cinema across borders. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being you. Thank you. Venkat sir, happy birthday to you. Finish பண்ணும்போது எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து ஒரு ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே பாடிடுவோம். சார் வந்து நம்மளுடைய ஹானரபிள் சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர் விஜய் சாரோட படம் ஜனநாயகனை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணும்போது he had gone through so much of issues, or எவ்வளோ பிரச்சனை, எவ்வளோ விஷயங்களை அவர் வந்து ஃபேஸ் பண்ணாரு. ஒரு படம் லீக் ஆச்சு. லைக் ஒரு ஃபில்ம் மேக்கருக்கு வந்து அதோடைய பெயின் என்னன்றது தெரியும். ஒரே ஒரு ஃப்ரேம், ஒரே ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ லீக் ஆயிடுச்சுனாலே ஏதோ ஒரு பெரிய லைக் யூ வில் ஃபீல் லைக் யூ லாஸ்ட் சம்திங் ஹியூஜ். ஒரு ஃப்ரேம் மிஸ் ஆனா கூட. பட் ஒரு மூவியே வந்து ஒரு ஆன்லைனில் தட்டு அந்த ஸ்கேலில் இருக்கிற ஒரு ஃபிலிம் வந்து ஆன்லைனில் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட எவ்ரி டைம் ஐ see him on a stage or wherever he is, he'll always be smiling and he'll be so composed, and it takes a lot of power and strength to be you, sir. And today, like how you stood by Jananayagan, Vijay sir, through the tough times, I know Tamil people will stand by you for talk's sake. On 26/8/26, they are just going to show their love back to you, sir. 100%. And Geetu ma'am, Geetu ma'am is more like family. The love that Nayan has on you and even me. So அது வந்து சொல்ல முடியாது. Thank you for like இந்த ஃபில்மை பண்ணுறதுக்கு you need lots of guts. Like every frame, every word that you've written, it's so deep and so powerful. I'm sure இங்க இருந்து that day you were thinking அடுத்து என்ன பண்ண போறேன், automatically things are going to happen and you're going to be somewhere else, ma'am. As a fan and as a friend or whatever, I really wish the best for you. Kiara and everyone. Kiara, I remember you before Kabir Singh. I had met Kiara to narrate a story. I made that film now called Love Insurance Company. You're lucky you didn't do it. Okay. Anyway, no. Okay. So it was real.
உடைய அப்பா மார்டர்னுடைய அழகான டாட்டர் இவங்க. இப்போ இவங்களுடைய திறமையால, இவங்களுடைய டேலண்ட்னால, இவங்களுடைய பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான அந்த கிரேஸ் அண்ட் பியூட்டினால ஷீ இஸ் கிரியேட்டிங் மேஜிக் இன் எவ்ரி சிங்கிள் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி ஷீ ஸ்டெப்ஸ் இன் டு. we're sure you're destined for great things. உங்களுடைய அன்போட, உங்களுடைய கரகோஷங்களோட let's welcome the lovely Rukmini Vasanth on stage.
வணக்கம் சென்னை, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? ஓ வாவ், பேசலாமா கைஸ் ப்ளீஸ்? கைஸ் நான் பேசுறேன் ப்ளீஸ்.
ரொம்ப நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க அவங்க எல்லாரையுமே பாக்குறதுக்கு. that's why they're so excited. கொஞ்சம் அமைதி அமைதி அமைதி. அவங்க பேசினதுக்கு அப்புறம் மறுபடியும் உங்களுடைய அன்பு கொடுங்க.
ஒரு அன்கண்டிஷனல் லவ் வந்து தமிழ்நாட்டுல இருந்து உங்களுக்காக இருக்கு.
So I'll start crying guys. For starters, அப்பா பத்தி பேசுறாங்க. Thank you so much. I was not expecting that, but thank you.
No, we're so proud. We're so proud.
I don't know what I was going to say. என்னோட மைண்ட்ல ஒரு ஸ்பீச் இருந்தது, இப்போ எல்லாம் blank ஆயிடுச்சு. Thank you so much. எவ்வளோ வாட்டி தேங்க்யூ சொன்னா அது கம்மி தான். I wanted to start with saying that சென்னைக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு. If you give me this kind of welcome, I'll never leave. Hi guys. Thank you so much. டாக்ஸிக்ங்கிறது எனக்கு ஒரு ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷலான படம். It's such a joy to be coming to Chennai after such a long time இந்த படம்காக. So please நம்ம படம்க்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு வெல்கம் கொடுங்க. It's such a joy to be coming to Chennai after such a long time இந்த படம்காக. So please நம்ம படம்க்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு வெல்கம் கொடுங்க 26க்கு. நம்ம டீம்ல நிறைய பேர் இங்க இருக்காங்க. So I'd like to take a moment of your time and also thank them. I'd like to start with Yash sir. Sir, நீங்க நிறைய பேருக்கு இன்ஸ்பயர் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. I'm also one of them. I started being inspired as a fan girl. இப்போ நான் ஒரு co-star inspire ஆயிருக்கேன். Thank you for this. This has been the journey of a lifetime and I'm always very grateful. Venkat sir, thank you for your support throughout this film. And வாழ்த்துக்கள் sir. டாக்ஸிக்காக வாழ்த்துக்கள், பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள், ஜஸ்ட் வாழ்த்துக்கள் ஆல் அரவுண்ட். கீது, I have no idea what I could say. Whatever I say will be less. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு படம் கிரியேட் பண்ணோன்னா somebody had said earlier, guts வேணும் and support கூட வேணும். You have the guts. You gave me the support. Thank you so much. நம்ம காஸ்ட்ல நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. Thank you so much guys. It's been such a pleasure working with all of you. Sanoop, you are such a chameleon. I didn't recognize you for a minute outside of costume, but hi and congratulations to everybody. Thank you to the Tamil audiences. உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் மிகப்பெரிய நன்றி. எந்த படம்காக I've come for
so much. ரொம்ப ஹார்ட் ஃபெல்ட்டா பேசுனீங்க. ஆனா உங்க மேல ஒரு குற்றச்சாட்டு வந்திருக்கு தெரியுமா? There's an allegation against you.
சொல்லுங்க, என்ன
இருங்க,
allegation?
கேளுங்க இத. ஒரே ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ கொடுத்தீங்க, ஒரு போஸ்ட் போட்டீங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு விஷயம் வெடிச்சிருச்சு.
என்ன?
நீங்க ஒரு விஷயத்தையே மாத்தி அமைச்சிட்டீங்க. அதனால வந்து ஒரு பெரிய பிரளயமே ஏற்பட்டிருக்கு. அது என்னன்றத நீங்க எல்இடியை பார்த்தா தெரியும். சோஷியல் மீடியா ஃபுல்லாவே வந்து இத பத்தி தான் பேசுறாங்க.
சைடுக்கு வரலாம்.
ப்ளீஸ்
சைடுக்கு வந்து பாருங்க. பெட்ரோல், ஆயில் பிரைசஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே தாண்டி இதனுடைய பிரைஸ் எகிரிச்சான் உங்களுடைய ஒரு இன்டர்வியூனால.
ஓகே, பார்க்கலாம் என்ன இது.
எல்இடி ருக்மணி பங்க் கோகனட் வாட்டர்.
கரெக்டா இல்லையா? அவங்க வந்து ஒரு நாளைக்கு 2 இளநீர் குடிப்பேன் அப்படின்னு ஒரு இன்டர்வியூல சொன்னாங்க. அது வைரலா போயிட்டு பாருங்க, நோ பெட்ரோல் ஒன்லி இளநீர் தேங்க்ஸ் டு ருக்மிணி அப்படின்னு ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்காங்க.
ஐ எம் வெரி ப்ரவுட். இந்த ருக்மிணி பங்க்ல ஒரு கொஞ்சம் ப்ராஃபிட் ஷேர் எனக்கு கூட.
கண்டிப்பா
கேக்கலாம்.
of course.
வெங்கட் சார் டீச் மீ ஹவ் டு டு ஆல் ஆஃப் திஸ் பிசினஸ் ப்ளீஸ்.
அடுத்தது பாருங்க.
இது மட்டும் இல்ல, இன்னும் உங்களுக்கு வெயிட்டிங்ல இருக்கு. ருக்மிணி பவர். Now robots charge in coconut water thanks to ருக்மிணி. மேம் ஆக்சுவலா வந்து இளநீ வந்து ஜெனரலி 15 ரூபாய், 20 ரூபாய், 30 ரூபான்னு வித்துது.
இப்போ என்ன ஆச்சு ரேட்?
இப்போ 50, 70, 90 உங்களால இளநியோட ரேட்டே அதிகமாயிடுச்சு மேடம்.
நான் பிராண்ட் அம்பாசிடர் தானே, எனக்கு ஃப்ரீ இல்ல.
உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ மேடம்.
அப்படி கொஞ்சம்
கேட்டா எல்லாருமே வண்டி வண்டியா அவங்களுக்காக வந்து இறக்குவாங்க. இன்னொன்னு பாருங்க அங்க.
நீங்க ஓகேன்னு சொல்லுங்க. தென்னை மரம்.
When Rukmini says coconut water is the new protein shake. எல்லாருமே ஜிம்ல கூட இளநீரோட தான் உள்ள வராங்களாம். ஒரு கையில டம்பெல்லாம், இன்னொரு கையில இளநீராம். என்ன பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கீங்க ருக்மிணி? லாஸ்ட் ஒன்.
வாவ்.
Sahara Desert starts to plant coconut trees and sell those as water thanks to Rukmini. இது பயங்கரமா இருக்கு. லாஸ்ட் பட் நாட் லீஸ்ட் எங்களுடைய அல்டிமேட் கிரியேட்டிவிட்டியை பாருங்க நீங்க. ஈலான் மஸ்க்.
Oh my god. நிலாவிலே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா தென்னை மரத்தை நட்டு வைக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. உங்களால வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிலால வரைக்கும் போயிருக்கு மேடம் இளநீ. எலன் மாஸ்கே அங்க போயிட்டு இளநீ தான் வேணும்னு கேக்குறாரு, ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாரு.
இந்த memes
செவ்வா
எல்லாம் யார்
கிரகத்துல
create
போய்
பண்ணி-
இளநீர்
அது hats
மரத்தை
off your
நட்டுறாங்க.
creativity.
மாஸ் வரைக்கும் பாருங்க மேடம். மேடம் நாங்க பசங்கெல்லாம் வந்து ஜெனரலி டீனா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். காலையில டீ, மதியானம் டீ, பேசினா டீ, சேடா அந்த டீ. ஆனா இனிமே டீயே கிடையாது, ஒன்லி இளநீ.
ரெண்டு ஓகே.
ருக்மிணி இளநீ.
or toxic. What we have to do. I think this film has been such an important part of my life the last 2-3 years now, and just the hard work, blood, sweat, and tears that have gone into making it. I mean, you all are going to witness it very, very soon. This is probably one of the most passionate, driven people I have had the privilege of knowing and working. The first phone call that came to me, my director Geetu Mohandas. I'm going to take a little bit of time today, so bear with me. And Geetu offered me the film, but she said, I can't tell you too much about it because everything was very top secret. And I was very nervous about, doing part of such a huge star cast. I was like, but what am I going to do? Is it like an interesting character? And she just told me one thing, just trust me. And I did. And just the love that you are getting and the love that you are going to get as a director, as a female director of this mega blockbuster film that you put out, I'm so proud of you. You are paving the way for so many other young girls to dream and to stand on your shoulders. And I'm so proud of you. So thank you for making me part of your mad, mad dream. Venkat sir, happy birthday. I was almost not going to make it for today's event because it was supposed to happen yesterday. I know some of you may have been inconvenienced, but it was fate. I was supposed to be here. I think it's your gift to me on your birthday. But thank you for putting together and enabling this mad bunch together. And this film has had a huge journey, lots of ups and downs. Lots of challenges, but I think you've been steadfast like a pillar behind each and every one of us. So thank you. All the actors. Sanoop, I didn't recognize you, man. We worked together on Delhi Crime. He's been such a wonderful, wonderful actor. Sudev, you're so shy and quiet on set, but over the promotions, I've seen such a mad side of you. I hope to get to spend more time with you in the future and get to know you better. Kiara. Guys, I have to say this about Kiara. It's not a spoiler, but there was a scene that we were a part of where there was a lot of rain involved. That's all I'm going to say, Geetu, don't panic. And she was just about to have her baby. And we were getting drenched in the rain and I had a terrible headache. And every single time I wanted to complain, I would look at her. And, she was, 6 months? Almost pregnant. And she was just standing there, doing that scene, standing like a rock, and just looking at her, I was like, oh my God, That is so inspiring. And I know you're going to get so much love for this film, like all of us. And we'll keep talking. I love you loads. Rukmani. Guys, spoiler. You know, we don't have any scenes actually, Rukmani, together, which is something which is very sad. I'm saying all this, huh, Geetu, now don't kill me. But you are such a lovely, intelligent, well spoken, talented human I have met. I just love the way you articulate your thoughts. And like Yash called you, na, lambi race ki ghoda. I think he was very, very apt, and it was so lovely to know you. Akshay, what a wonderful actor, what a wonderful friend I have found in you. Thank you so much for being there. I think he's one person. He's so knowledgeable about films in general, and he's so passionate about what he does. It's been an absolute pleasure getting to know you and also elbowing you a little bit around. Now, finally, Yash. You know, there are stars, then there are superstars, but I think there's only one rocking star. And that's him. To call this man an inspiration, I don't think sums it up. He has just made sure that this entire thing comes together. And a lot of people do films for, because they want stardom or they want lots of money. I think what he's trying to do, and he said no, but the people in the theater are going to see that difference. And I realized in that moment that every single choice this man is making is to service all of you guys, to make sure that you have the best theatrical experience ever. And that has been so inspiring. What a spectacular year you're having with both your releases. And I'm just so excited to be part of this dream, this magnum opus called Toxic. I think, I don't know what I'm going to do once this is over, but thank you for making it happen. And thank you for being so inspiring and so supportive in this entire journey. You are amazing.
Thank you so much. Romba sweet நிறைய விஷயங்கள் you shared with us. But you're in our city
Not
after...
too much, na?
No, not at all. You're in our city after many years, so there is a special person who's waiting to speak to you over an audio call. Hello? Shall we find out who it is?
Hello.
Who's it?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi, Bhavana.
Hello, sir.
Hi. How are you?
Talaiva!
Yes. And you must there. Hi, Zarina.
Hi, Kala.
Welcome to Tamil Nadu. Yes. You are a very, very sweet person. Huh? Such a very good actor you are. The way you are acting is very, very nice. And now you are in Toxic. I wish you all the best. என்ன அழகா நடிப்பாங்க தெரியுமா? அவங்களோட ஆக்டிங்ல நான் வந்து காலாலே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா அப்படியே ஃபுல்லா ஃபிளாட் ஆயிட்டேன். இப்போ மறுபடியும் டாக்ஸிக்ல வந்து தமிழ்நாட்டை மறுபடியும் கலக்க போறாங்க நினைக்கும் போது மனசெல்லாம் செம்மையா அப்படியே சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. எஸ். அண்ட் வந்து தமிழ் மக்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Yes. And Rocky boy is there, right? Yes. Very, very happy. Yes. Hi, Rocky boy. This is Basha boy. Yes.
அசர் பாய் எங்க காணுமே? என் பக்கத்துல தானே நின்னுட்டு இருந்தார்.
Good evening, Chennai. Vanakkam. This is my first time in Chennai. I've actually never come outside into the city. But seeing the energy, thank you all for being here today and supporting us. Today, for the first time, I have a lot of butterflies in my stomach because, like Huma and all of you have said, we're just 2 days away from our release. And a part of me is just feeling like I'm about to deliver Nadia and Toxic and the entire film to all of you. But standing here, I just want to take this moment and thank my team of Toxic. First and foremost, Venkat sir, happy birthday. On your birthday, you've given us the biggest gift, which is Toxic. I remember 2 years ago, we started the film celebrating your birthday, and here we are, almost about to release the film. I think you are one of the most gracious producers, sir. You have enabled this vision with so much comfort and ease, and just let each of us fly and support this magnum opus of a film that it is. So thank you, sir. Some of our technicians who are not here today, who I'd really like to name, Rajiv Ravi, sir. He has shot this film so beautifully with a new canvas and made each one of us look like we have never before. So thank you, Rajiv, sir. To our entire music team, Vishal Mishra, he's been a lucky charm in my life, because from Kabir Singh and now to Toxic, I think he's a part of some of my most special films. Ravi Basur, sir, everyone, I might be forgetting some names, please forgive me, but to every one of them, Vicky sir, you're here, Ganesh sir, all the, everyone, the lyricists, everyone who's translated this film in all our languages in India, so that each one of you can watch it in your mother tongue and enjoy the film. Ladies and ladies, this cast, I mean, just to get to be a part of such powerful women in our industry from all over, all different states, we've come together with one vision that we've believed in. Let's start with our lady superstar, Nayantara, who's not here today. Of course, she's our lady superstar. She's such a fine actor, but I truly had the privilege of knowing her as a human being on this film. And she has touched my heart in so many ways. I think that's going to leave a lasting impact on me. Huma, you're a powerhouse, Huma. I mean, all the work that you do continues to inspire us. And in Toxic, I think you're going to give your best. Elizabeth is... You aren't ready for it yet, but 2 more days and you'll see what her magic is. Rukmani, you are so endearing, I cannot tell you. And to witness the love that the audience has for you. Oh my God, y'all are gonna have a treat when you see Toxic. She has some of the most fun lines. I'm not sure how civilized they'll be, but you will have a blast for sure. Tara is not here, but she's so lovely and beautiful, and again, another surprise for you all. I have to talk about the gentleman here as well. Sanup sir, I did not have an opportunity to work with you, but you stand out in every frame, and just listening to all the lovely words everyone has to say about you, all those who've worked with you, it's so lovely to know that. Thank you. Sudeep, you're the kindest human being I've ever met. Every time on set, all our chats, everything, and then you transform on screen into Karmadi, who is just someone, again, everyone will be excited to watch. So it's lovely working with you too. And Akshay, you're a very handsome man, I must say. Now, Akshay, I think with your voice and your style and everything, I think what you bring to Tony is just so special. So, all the best to all of us. Geetu Mohan Das. I just wanted to say that. I think this is a name that Indian cinema is going to remember forever. Firstly, I want to thank you for making me a fearless artist. That's why I said there'll be Kiara before and Kiara after, because what she gave me was a sense of fearlessness. And it takes guts, and you just gave me a little bit of your guts. So thank you. I have so much to say. I don't think any words would do justice to all that I have and that I feel for you. But you know it in your heart. And I love you so much. And Yash, He's our Rocky Bhai. He's our rocking star. He's soon gonna be your Raya, your ticket. There's really no one like you, Yash. You're one of a kind. It's truly been an honor and a privilege to work with you, to be a part of your vision, a part of your madness. But there's something I haven't shared with you and Geetu, which today I just feel like saying it. When I got pregnant, after my family, y'all were the first two people I shared the news with. And in that moment, you didn't think about how will we finish the film, the logistics, none of that. Y'all both smiled with tears in your eyes, congratulated me and said, we're going to have the time of our lives now, Kiara. And I was so touched to just see someone who was so happy for me. I will never forget that. You said, come on set, be comfortable, eat whatever you want, and we're going to make the best film. And we truly did. You truly, truly did make me feel like I could do anything in that moment. So thank you for being the human being that you are. And thank you for being the best team. I hope 26th August, when we, and you enjoy cinema, because there was only one vision, to take Indian cinema, take the best artists and the best technicians from our country and put this film on the globe. So with that, thank you, Team Toxic, and thank you, Chennai.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much. You can't give us the mic over so easily. We still want to hold you a little bit longer. அந்த காலத்து dream girl ஹேமமாலினினா இந்த காலத்து dream girl Kiara Advani, ladies and gentlemen. பெரிய பெரிய கைத்தட்டல் கொடுக்கலாமா? Show some love.
There is only one dream girl.
For us,
Hemaji.
for this generation,
So sweet.
we'd like to shower you with that kind of love. But we're very angry with you, I want to tell you that.
Why?
We're very upset. தமிழ் மக்கள் நம்மெல்லாம் எவ்வளோ அப்செட்டாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு உங்களுடைய சார்பாக நாங்கள் சொல்லிடலாம். I'll tell you why. You've done a Telugu film. You've done a Kannada film. Why haven't you done a Tamil film yet? Let us celebrate you in a Tamil movie. When is that going to happen? I want to know right now.
I hope I get a call after Toxic, and I would love to do a Tamil film. I've actually worked with Vishnu Vardhan sir, who's a Tamil director in my film Shersha. So I've had a little bit of, exposure to that. But soon, hopefully, if y'all want to see me, I'll come and do a Tamil film as well.
யாரோட நடிக்க ஆசைப்படுறாங்கன்னு கேட்டலாமா? Who would you like to star opposite? Who would you like to work with?
I mean, you have the best of the best, so picking one would be very hard.
Pick two.
I'd pick many more. Okay, let me say a director who
Okay.
I'd really like to work with. Mani Ratnam sir.
மணி சார் கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா டக்குன்னு அடுத்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் பிடிச்சு போடுங்க. I know that Tamil songs are very, very popular in Mumbai because I live in Mumbai and I know that wherever I go, I hear a lot of Tamil songs. Do you have any Tamil songs that you listen to on loop? Any favorite songs, any dialogue that comes to mind? Because you're in Chennai and you know the rule of the stage. Tamil la pesno.
See, right now everything is toxic in my mind. So the only songs I'm listening. So I'm going to hear all the Tamil version of the songs now because they've been translated so beautifully by Vicky sir. So right now all the toxic songs.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much. We'd like you to stay back on stage because we want you to be on stage when we welcome the force. Carry on.
என் அன்பா தமிழ் மக்களுக்கு வணக்கம். In fact, Nayanthara has written longer, but I'm not able to see it right now. So I'm going to go impromptu. I don't know. That was very beautiful. In fact, I'm just sort of jogging my memory back to cinema. I mean, I started when I was 4.5 years old in cinema. And when I started, and from where I started and where I'm standing right now, I was just going through my journey. And, I was a very bad student. I used to constantly fail in school. I was never picked for anything, for the basketball or whatever. I think I was a complete failure. But there's one thing which my father told me, which kind of stayed with me. He said, "What do you want to do? Looks like you're failing. What do you want to be?" So I said, "A baker." Then he said, "Make sure you're the best baker in town." And that kind of stayed with me. And it was a tunnel vision. No matter what I did, no matter where I wanted to go, I was like a horse on blinkers thinking, I'm not going to listen to the noise. I'm not going to let anyone bog me down. I need to just get there. And I tried. Doing my small films that you have seen, the Kelkundundo and the Liar's Dice, I shot it in 50 lakhs. It did go to the Oscars in 2014, but no one believed in me. No one wanted to give me money to produce my film. And I was sad. And I was like, I wish someone believed in me. I can do it. I kept trying. Then I made a little bigger film, Muton. And I thought, okay, you know what? Now I have a star, and now I'm going to make a movie, and it's got critical acclaim, and it's going to do a commercial. Let's go. But no one believed in me after that. You know, every time it felt like a struggle. And then I felt to myself that, you know what? I'm going to do the biggest film of the country with the best actor and the greatest stardom. And I wish he will believe in me. And today I can say that of all the people in the world in my journey, from when I was a little girl till I'm standing here, Yash believed in me. And he said, you know what? Do it. Go for it. This is your field. What do you want? Just do it. And I can't express my gratitude because it's like an echo. When someone claps, the world will clap if that clap is believable. And when he believed, everyone started believing me. Everyone. And it became like a chain reaction. And I will never forget that first voice. I remember when we started this amalgamation of this world between us, and I want to tell you that I've been part of many labs, the Sundance Lab, I've been part of the Rotterdam Lab for writing. And I love, and I was mesmerized, and I was never prepared for Yash's lab. It was another level because the madness that came out of that experiment, he was showing me the commercial films. I can take the names, right? He showed me Padayappa, and I showed him In the Mood for Love. And it was sort of like a dance between the two worlds, between Wonka Ravai and the commercial films. And somewhere in between that, we found our rhythm. And in that rhythm formed gorgeous beats, you know? And in those beats, each one of my beautiful people just emerged. It was those, and I remember something, and I was a very organic kind of a filmmaker. Like I used to be like, okay, you know what, I'm just going to write and then we'll try to tweak and this and that. So Yash is always like, have it on the paper. Let's have it on the paper. And it's, I think the best thing that has happened in that collaboration where we had it on the paper and we saw the characters come alive. And each one of them who's sitting here, who magically transformed, I can assure you that all the superstars and all the actors, part of Toxic, you will see a different version of them because there's so much of innate sense of drama and psychology which were hidden in those papers. And I can promise all of you, and this is something which I can confirm and proudly say, it will be Yash 2.0 in Toxic.
Brilliant, brilliant. Thank you so much. நீங்க வந்து இந்த படத்தை
No, wait. I'm missing the world of many people. Venkat sir. I'm so sorry. I just remembered that, you know, for me to be standing here, thank you, my producer. I did. I just got very emotional and I just went on that trip. But I don't need to say anything concrete about somebody who stands like a backbone as part of a film. You know, there are front runners, there are back runners, there are side players, and there are kings who struts around like that's a dialogue. So there's a lot of people who are out there, but the backbone of Toxic is Venkat sir. And just the way that he has put the project together with immense pressure, and sir, I know that you said yes to this because you only believed in Yash, but today I know you believe in me too. Yes, I know that. So thank you for that.
தேங்க்யூ மேம் தேங்க்யூ வெரி வெரி மச். ஒரு கன் போஸ்ட் கொடுக்க சொன்னோம், அது எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு ஆகஸ்ட் 26 மேலே தான் அப்படின்னு தெளிவாக சொல்லிட்டாங்க. அண்ட் we know no spoilers are being announced on stage and we understand why. It's gonna be such an exciting film and அந்த உலகத்தில் நாங்கள் மூழ்கிறதுக்கு ரெடியாக இருக்கோம். இப்போ பேக் போன் அப்படின்னு கீது மேம் மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Hearty welcome to fans, audiences, entire star cast of Toxic team, technicians, media, social media and everybody. I want to begin thanking the administration, Chennai Police and everybody for making this event happen smoothly. Before I begin, Modalla, let me start with Jananayagan. Thank you so much for all the love and making Jananayagan a phenomenal success. Thanks to people of Tamil Nadu. Thanks to Vijay sir fans. Thanks to Vijay sir fans across the country, across the world. Thank you for standing by KBN Productions during challenging times. I'm grateful to all of you. I'll always remember this. Vijay sir said one last time on screen, but Anna, it's a very empty feeling. We are hungry to see feeling working with you. Thank you for the love and support. Now, coming to Toxic. Toxic Padam is the result of great ambition, bold vision, extreme hard work, மற்றும் extraordinary performances. இந்த படம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி we were looking at some references for these cars, guns, sets, the characters, the costumes. And we didn't find any rule book, framework, or any references. Adukana we had to make our own path. And I'm sure with all your support and God's grace, this will also become path-breaking film. And our director, she looks very simple. Anna, she is a Bhayankaramana taskmaster. She wants what she wants. It takes a special someone to handle chaos on one hand and craft it into beauty with the other. Thank you for imagining a beautiful, unique and distinctive world, director. And you executed, not only told, executed it to the T. I'm sure this film will set a benchmark and your work will motivate, inspire, not just the woman who wants to achieve greatness in their respective fields, but also inspire entire filmmaking community. Also want to thank the amazing star cast that we have. Mr. Akshay Oberoi, Mr. Sudev, Sudeep, and Mr. Balaji, who was not here. I want to thank Vignesh Shivan sir for giving extraordinary lyrics for all the songs. Vishal Mishra, our music director, is not here, but he made songs sound original in every language. You don't feel them to be dubbed. You don't feel that they are dubbed. I want to thank entire technician team, DOP sir, Rajiv sir, Sandy, who is one among us, who has actually worked extremely hard to make every frame look beautiful. And the extremely talented star cast, Nayantara madam, she's our presence is enough. It'll elevate the scene. It'll add weightage to the scene. She has her own aura that she brings into every aspect or every frame she's present in. Thank you, madam. Kiera madam, thank you. I know you are so committed to the film during the last few days of shoot when you are carrying. In spite of that, you delivered mesmerizing performances. And especially, I think the shot that you see on the ring was then. Thank you for the commitment. Thank you for being part of the film. You look stunning. I know, after the release, you'll get a lot more love for what the work that you have done. Rukmini madam, thank you. You're so humble. You're so simple. So grounded. Everybody can relate to you. And yet so hardworking. Very happy that you are part of this film. And Huma madam, you have seen her smile on the screen. So it looks so scary, but she is very nice as a person. Thank you for being part of the movie, madam. And last but not the least, if you have excellent team in place, you have good HODs for every department. We have one headmaster also. So we have a craftsman and we have a master craftsman. People, when they do work, they look at in their work some X factor. We look at Y factor. That's called yes factor. That you can see in every frame, every moment, every scene, every action. He has played multiple roles. When I was wanting to, in this movie, every role is intense, differentiating and unique, yet he performed in outstanding way. When I wanted to speak, our SR Pati enna pesanam, pesradhukku rumba irukku. So I divided into each event, I should speak little by little. He has given everything that he has got to this film. And sir, your hard work and your vision is inspiration to many in this generation. What an extraordinary journey. Normally, if you make 10 films, one film will become milestone. For you, all 10 films are milestones. Not all 10, maybe all 19, including this. Still, in whatever they are doing, it means a lot. I know you look for in everything that you do, how to excel, how to explore new ways of doing, or new ways of putting together, or conceiving that scene and executing. You want to expand the boundaries and set new benchmarks. You need to have that courage to dream and hard work and willingness to work to turn dreams into reality. Thank you so much, sir. It has been a pleasurable journey working with you during the Toxic. Thank you for collaboration. And before I conclude, I want to tell you, Toxic or Padam Matrumila, it's a feeling. Toxic is an emotion. Toxic is a different world by itself. We welcome you all to the world of Toxic on 26/8/26. Looking forward to seeing all of you in theaters. Thank you. Rumba Nandri. Vanakkam. See you all soon.
சூப்பர்
Thank
கிரேட்
you.
சார். ஏன்னா ஒரு மாசான ஹீரோ பார்த்துருக்கோம், மாசான ஹீரோயின் பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஒரு மாசான ப்ரொடியூசர் எங்களுக்காக கிடைச்சிருக்காங்க தமிழ் சினிமால ஒரு.
Thank you all for the birthday wishes. Sweet of you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
கிரேட் சார். ஜனநாயகன் பிளாக் பஸ்டர் எப்படி ஆச்சோ இன்னும் 2 days டு கோ டாக்ஸிக் வேர்ல்டுக்குள்ள நாங்க இணையறதுக்காக எல்லாருமே வெரி ஹாப்பியா இருக்கோம் சார். இதுவும் பிளாக் பஸ்டர் ஹிட் ஆக போகுது, அதுல எந்தவித சந்தேகமும்
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. வணக்கம். I don't know எப்படி சொல்றது, இந்த அன்புக்கு என்ன சொல்றது. என் ரத்தத்தில் ரத்தமான அப்படி சொல்லலாம் நினைச்சா கிரேட் எம்ஜிஆர் சொல்லிட்டாரு. என்ன வாழ வைத்த தெய்வங்களே அப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா தலைவர் ரஜினி சார் சொல்லிட்டாரு. என் நெஞ்சில் குடியிருக்கும் அப்படி சொன்னா நம்ம தளபதி சிஎம் சார் சொல்லிட்டாரு. என்ன தெத்தடித்த தமிழ் மக்கள் என்ன சொல்ல முடியுமா? உண்மையிலே கரெக்ட் தானே தமிழ்ல? ஓகே,
பெர்ஃபெக்ட் சார்.
உண்மையிலே சொல்லனா எனக்கு ஈவன் நவ் எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஞாபகம் இருக்கு. when we were planning to release KGF 1, அந்த ப்ராசஸ்ல எல்லாம் எவ்வளவு டவுட் பட்டாருன்னா, எப்படிங்க மாஸ் ஹீரோ அந்த ஸ்டேட் வேற ஸ்டேட் இந்த வந்து எப்படி எக்ஸெப்ட் பண்ணுவாரோ, இது ரொம்பவே பில்டப்பா இருக்கு அப்படி எல்லாம் பேசினாரோ. ஆனா எனக்கு இருக்கிறது எப்பவுமே ஒரே ஒரு நம்பிக்கை தானே. நம்பிக்கை நீங்கள் மக்கள் இருக்கீங்களே, யூ ஆர் நாட் பயஸ்ட். உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேற எதுவுமே உங்க மைண்ட்ல இருக்காது. ஒரு ஆர்டிஸ்ட்க்கு ஒரு ட்ரூ டேலண்ட்க்கு அவங்க பண்ண வேலை பார்த்து இந்த கைத்தட்டல் இந்த அன்பு நீங்க கொடுப்பீங்க. அண்ட் தட் இஸ் த ஓன்லி திங் ஐ பிலீவ். அண்ட் த வே தமிழ்நாடு ரிசீவ்ட் மீ, த லவ் யூ ஹவ் ஷவர்ட், நீங்க கொடுத்த அந்த அன்பு அந்த லவ் நான் என்னைக்கும் மறக்க மாட்டேன். பிகாஸ் தட் இஸ் அ கிரேட் மெசேஜ் நீங்க எல்லாருக்கும் கொடுத்தீங்க. நமக்கும் அன்பு இருக்கு, எல்லாருக்கும் அன்பு இருக்கு. We have to come together and we have to celebrate love, goodness, and Antama. Oh. ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் விஷயம் சொல்லணும். எனக்கு இந்த படத்திலே டுடே இட்ஸ் my producer's birthday. Venkat sir, happy birthday to you sir. I really have to say this. Hats off to Tamil people. I'll tell you why. Jananayagam padam eppo the leak acho, I know what a pain it is for a producer and all the team members. Everybody thought this is like completely gone. But the love what Tamil people have showed for a man who came with right intention to just make a good film and entertain Tamil audience, and for his love towards Vijay sir, the audience proved, the audience have really showered that love. So from my side also, thank you Tamil Nadu for respecting cinema, respecting craft. After getting leaked, still you guys came and watched that movie in theater and respected their hard work. So, இப்போ நான் ரொம்ப பேச மாட்டேன் எல்லார் பத்தியும். Everywhere I have been speaking about my lovely people, and it's already late. I know we all taken too much time, but I have to say, because I'm here, the Tamil writer Ganesh sir, thank you so much for contributing, and that makes, if people have to feel that it is original, your contribution is more. Thank you so much. And Vicky, thank you. You have given such support, like you came there, you sat and you helped us to make this song so original. Tamil மக்களுக்கு எப்படி பிடிக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி நீங்க அவ்வளோ டைம் கொடுத்தீங்க. Thank you so much. And you and Nayan, my favorite people. Nayan is such a wonderful person. You know, I actually want to tell, இந்த படத்தில் இருக்கிற எசன்ஸ் பற்றி பேசிடலாம். This movie is about passion. This movie is about emotion. This movie is about lot of real human things. இந்த மாதிரி படத்தை I know Tamil people have always supported experiments and unique attempts. This movie will be a treat for you. You guys have blessed us for KGF. You have blessed me for KGF. Now this movie, I want you all to enjoy. And thank you media, thank you press. I'm not going to take much time. It's already late. Thank you for supporting us. And thank you all lovely ladies here for really owning this up and taking your time and traveling everywhere. And you guys are promoting this film. Thank you director for your kind words. People will witness what you have created, what you are capable of. That's all I can say. Pakla, theatre Pakla. உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு மறுபடி நான் வரேன், அப்போ பேசலாம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
அண்ட் எஸ், ராக்கி பாய் பேசும்போதே சொன்னாங்க ஆல்ரெடி டைம் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு. ராக்கி பாய் பேசுனா இன்னைக்கு நைட்டு மட்டும் இல்லை, எவ்வளோ நேரம் வேணால் கேட்கறதுக்காக தமிழ்நாட்டு மக்கள் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அவ்வளோ பியோர் லவ் அண்ட் சப்போர்ட் உங்களுக்காக தமிழ்நாட்டில் எப்பயுமே இருக்கும் ராக்கி பாய். அண்ட் நீங்கள் தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு வந்திருக்கீங்க, உங்களை பார்க்கறதுக்காக ஒரு சில கெஸ்ட் எல்லாம் உங்களை பார்க்கறதுக்காக வந்திருக்காங்க. வித் யுவர் பெர்மிஷன் அவங்களை கூப்பிட்டுலாமா?
One more thing, I really have to congratulate the team who performed here. What a spectacular performance.
Yes,
I think they brought a film to us only. They showed it in a different perspective. Hats off to those performers, dancers. Thank you so much.
Great.
And also I have to thank police for really making it so smooth. Police department, police of Tamil Nadu government, thank you so much. And even yesterday we had been to Hyderabad. Police there really took care of us. The local DCP, ACP, all of them I really have to thank. And Telugu writer and Telugu lyric writers, Ram Jogaya Shastri, and lot of people had come there. And I'll tell you, cinema na, everybody will come together. Anbarivu from Chennai has worked in our film. Lot of set work is done by lot of Tamil people. Action stunt team has been part of it. Or cinema na, it is not Kannada cinema, Tamil cinema. All over technicians or people from every language, every state come together and perform. So I think you have to really respect and contribute, help them grow, and we all come together. Tamil audience I've always supported. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Rocky பாய் இங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க, ராயாவா வந்திருக்கீங்க. உங்களை வெல்கம் பண்றதுக்கு we have a set of guests and I'm sure it'll bring a smile to your face. எதிர்பார்த்தீங்களா இதா? You surprised?
Yes, seriously stunned. I didn't expect him.
தேங்க்யூ சார், தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் யுவர் பிரசன்ஸ். தேங்க்யூ.
வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துல we'll let you friends catch up. A couple of questions from our end.
ரொம்ப லேட் ஆச்சு, எல்லாருக்கும் வீட்டுக்கு போகணும்.
Only two sir. உங்களுக்காக அவங்க இருப்பாங்க. Just two questions. நீங்க வந்து ராவணனுடைய கேரக்டர் ப்ளே பண்றீங்க. உங்களுக்கும் எங்களுடைய தளபதிக்கும் எங்களுடைய கரண்ட் ஆனரபிள் சிஎம்க்கும் ஒரு கனெக்ஷன் இருக்கு. பல மேடைகளில் நீங்க வந்து அவரை சீனியர் அப்படின்னு கூப்பிட்டுருக்கீங்க. அதே மாதிரி கேவிஎன் ப்ரொடக்ஷன்ஸ் ஜனநாயகன் படத்துல ராவண மவனா அப்படின்னு ஒரு பாட்டும் இருக்கு, ராவண மவண்டான்னு ஒரு பாட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ ஃபியூ வேர்ட்ஸ் பிகாஸ் யூர் ஆன் த ஸ்பெஷல் ஸ்டேஜ். எங்களுடைய ஆனரபிள் சிஎம் பத்தி சொல்லுங்க, உங்களுடைய சீனியர் பத்தி சொல்லுங்க.
என்ன சொல்றது அவங்க பத்தி? I've always told we have really learnt a lot from him. We have admired him, his commitment, and the love he has earned from people. It's evident now. People have given him that position and that responsibility, and we are very happy that it's set a new trend, and people have such faith in him. And I can see he's so disciplined and dedicated. And Venkat sir keep mentioning like how passionate he is and how he's working every day from morning to night for the people of Tamil Nadu. I think that is why we are responsible to give it back. And I think Vijay sir has reached that phase in life now where he's giving that love and respect back to state of Tamil Nadu. We all wish him good luck, and I think it's a very progressive thing. Now let's hope that entire country gets into this kind of a political thing where I really appreciate that people of Tamil Nadu na kette in the election romba transparenta without any this thing nadandadu. That's a sign that Tamil makkal and ஒரு responsibility கொடுத்திருக்காரு அவருக்கு. And I think he has the capacity to live up to it. Good luck சொல்லலாம், அவ்வளவுதான்.
சூப்பர் சார். அண்ட் வந்து கேவிஎன் ப்ரொடக்ஷனில் தளபதி சார் நடித்த ஜனநாயகன் வந்து பிளாக் பஸ்டர் ஹிட்டு. கட் பண்ணால் தமிழ்நாட்டோட சிஎம். இப்போ அதே கேவிஎன் ப்ரொடக்ஷனில் ராக்கி பாய் வந்து டாக்ஸிக்னு ஒரு சூப்பரான பிளாக் பஸ்டர் கொடுக்க போகிறீங்க. கட் பண்ணால் அடுத்தது என்ன சார்? வாட் நெக்ஸ்ட் சார்?
இப்போதான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். நான் ரொம்ப வேலை பண்ணணும், ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு ரொம்ப என்டர்டெயின் பண்ணணும். ஐ திங்க் சி யூ நீட் நாட் பி in the I know what you're getting into, don't drag me into that. We'll work, we'll always think of people because who are we are nobody. Normala நடிகராக வந்தவங்கள ஹீரோ பண்ணி வச்சது அவங்கள. நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அதோட தாண்டி அவங்க போய் எப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும் ஆடியன்ஸ் பண்ணுவாரோ. So I only believe in them. Let's see, let's entertain them. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Sweet sir.
Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause once again. நம்மளுடைய ராக்கி பாய்க்கு, டாக்ஸிக் உலகத்தின் ராயாவுக்கு, the one and only யஷ் அவர்களுக்கு, requesting the entire team of Toxic to kindly join us on stage. Toxic
Entire cast and
entire
crew, please join us with the team.
Toxic